How to view your TikTok screen time. So there's a feature on TikTok that allows you to see how long you've used the app or how long you've been on the app. So to see that, first of all, launch your TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, at the top right, you can see this hamburger menu option. You click on it and then you tap on settings and privacy. Once you're on your settings, you can go down and on content and display, you can find screen time at the very last, third last option. So you click on screen time and this will bring you up to your screen time. So this will show you your screen time on a weekly basis. So today is Thursday and I've used it for 5 minutes. As you can see, on Tuesday I used it for a total of 1 hour and 46 minutes, and you can view the data of previous week from here as well. So if you choose previous week, it will show you how long you've used the app for on the previous weeks as well. So if I go back here, and this will view how long I've used the app for on this particular week. Now, if I want to see how many times I've opened the app, I will have to go on this TikTok opened. Once I go in here, as you can see today, in this week, I have not used it many times. So today I've only opened it 3 times. Now, if I go to oh, if I go to this week I've opened it today 9 times. Here also 9 times, daytime 6, nighttime 3. So this is how you can view your screen time on TikTok. Thank you for watching.